Do you know the benefits of melon seeds? Did you know that melon seeds can be used to treat and alleviate stomach aches? Everybody knows how much fruits are nutritious and good for health, but few people know the benefits of melon seeds, right? The seeds of melon are rich in nutrients and medicinal properties. They have vitamins A, B, B2, B5, and C, proteins, fatty acids, and antioxidant power. The seeds help prevent diseases like heart diseases and cancer, and are good for the intestine and digestive process. They also aid in the functioning of the heart, preventing cardiovascular diseases and regulating blood pressure. Also, thanks to vitamin E, antioxidants, and unsaturated fatty acids, melon seeds help slow down aging and contribute to the natural glow of nails, hair, and skin. And if that wasn't enough, the melon seed is a natural analgesic. According to studies, melon seeds can help alleviate pains in general. Are you enjoying the video so far? Leave a comment to let us know if we're contributing to inform you. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. Because of that, you will learn how to make a tea with melon seeds to end your stomach aches and diseases. Write down the ingredients: 1 tablespoon melon seeds, 1 cup warm water, honey to taste. In a blender, blend the seeds and water. Add honey to sweeten if you wish. You can drink up to 3 cups of this tea per day, preferably 30 minutes before your meals. Important: if your pain persists, seek a doctor. So what do you think of this natural recipe to end stomach diseases and pain? Next time you buy a melon or any other fruits, remember that nutrients aren't found only in the pulp. Seeds are also good for health. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.